The USK 230B HV208 is an automatic grinding machine. It is designed for the processing of knives which are used in the production and processing of sausages. The machine grinds bowl cutter knives up to 750 liters as well as involute knives. In the bowl cutting process, the cutting and emulsification or mixing of the raw material should be finished simultaneously. Also, the temperature must not get too high. Therefore, the shape and the profile of the cutting edge have to be fitted to each other and have to be ground accordingly. With the automatic grinding machine, the angle of the cutting edge which is to be ground can be adjusted to the accuracy of 1 degree. The cutting edge is ground over the whole length of the edge with exactly the same angle. The profile of the cutting edge is being worked out as prescribed. An edge which is processed in this way has a much longer lifetime. The grinding machine works automatically. The knife is being fixed onto the copy clamping plate. The tailor-made copy clamping plate contains all information of the knife shape. The machine now works fully automatically. The operator can meanwhile do other tasks, for example polishing or fitting already ground knives. For retooling the machine to another knife shape, the copy clamping plate is simply changed. This can be done in less than 1 minute. No programming of the machine is necessary. The knives are ground by a wet abrasive belt. The rubber contact wheel regulates the pressure that is put on the knife. The material removal stays constant with each grinding process, and only as much material as absolutely necessary to make the knife sharp again is taken off. This reduces the effort for balancing the knives to a minimum, and the wearing of expensive knives is being minimized. During the grinding process, the abrasive belt is permanently supplied with coolant water. This prevents the knives from overheating, which can damage the knife and lead to knife breakage. After the grinding process, the knife is taken from the copy clamping plate and polished and deburred manually on the polishing brush. This gives the knife the final sharpness and surface quality. The PLC control unit makes the machine easy to operate. Often used functions are operated by switches. The grinding sequences can be programmed individually. Once they are saved in the memory of the machine, they can be selected by the program selection switch. With the USK 230B HV208, every knife gets the optimum profile and a precise angle of the edge at every grinding process.